In this video, I will explain two methods to hide cell values in a worksheet. To hide the data in this particular cell C10, select the cell, right-click, Format Cells, select the tab for number. Under Category, select Custom. Type in 3 semicolons. Click OK. By doing that, we just modified the display format for that cell. The content will be still there, intact, and we can go through that using the formula bar. To hide the content of a data range, select the data range, Format Cells, again type in 3 semicolons, click OK. To apply this formatting for other cells, click on Format Painter, select the cells to be formatted. This method is useful when we want to hide a particular data while converting documents into PDFs or hard copies. I will convert this data into PDF. We'll name it as payslip. And here in this PDF, you can see that the data in those particular cells where we change the formatting are not visible. They are just blank. There is another method similar to this. Select the cells, change the font color to white. The idea is to make the cell color and the font color exactly the same. We'll print one more PDF in the name payslip 2. To make the data visible, change the formatting to general. Here we have to change the font color to automatic. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any video releases. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.